Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today's session I am going to discuss about Verilog HDL operator. So before I start my explanation, I just give the small introduction about operator. What is operator? So operator is declare the operation. So declare the operation. So it's represented as a symbol. It represented as a symbol. Suppose you want to add the two operand values. Let us consider operand 1 is A, operand 2 is B. Just you add the operand 1 and operand 2. You can use the operator. So this plus is an operator. This plus is responded to add the two operand values. The processor can recognize this plus is add the operand 1 and operand 2. Finally it produces the result. So it's a simple declaration of operator. So here I list down the different types of operator comes under Verilog HDL. So first one is arithmetic operator. So arithmetic is common term. So common mathematical operation, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and modular division and exponential. Then logical operation. So logical operation means logical and, or and not operation. So relational. So relational operation in the sense you just find the greater than value or less than value, greater than or equal, less than or equal. That likewise you can find the relational of two operand values. Then equality. So equality here we have four cases. So equality or inequality, case equality, case inequality. Then bitwise. So bitwise operator is just performing the bitwise operation of AND or XOR and XNOR. Then reduction. So reduction of and reduction or reduction nor reduction XNOR. Then shift. So shift in right direction. The operand value is shift in right direction or operand value shift in left direction. Operand value is shift in arithmetic shift. So arithmetic shift in left, arithmetic shift in right. Then concatenation, replication and condition. So these are the types of operator involved in Verilog HDL. So today's session I just only touch the first two operator, arithmetic operator and logical operator. So first one is arithmetic. So this arithmetic operator is basically classified into two types. So one is binary, another one is unary. So what is binary arithmetic operator? So in this binary arithmetic operator it comes under addition, subtraction, star represent for multiplication, this one is division, this one is modulo division, this double store is an exponential. So let us consider two operand value. With the example I will explain clearly. Operand A, so this value is 4, and operand B, this value is 2. So operand A is 4, operand B is 2. The first binary operator is plus. A plus B. So operand A is 4, operand B is 2. So the result is 6. So you just represent the two operand value. Between these two operand you can use the operator. So this operator symbol is plus, just adding this two operand value. The next one, subtract. A minus B. So operand A is 4, operand B value 2, the result is 2. Then star. So star represent for multiplication of two operand value. So A star B. So A value 4 star 2, the result is 8. Then division, A by B. So A value is divided by B. A value 4, B value 2. So result 2. Then modulo. So modulo division, A modulo B. So A value 4, B value 2. The remainder is 0. Okay. So in this modulo operation, suppose the operand A is negative sign. For example, operand A is negative sign, negative 4 modulo B value 2. So what is the result? here the result is 0 minus 0. So why you here mention the minus? So in this modulo division, the output value you should mention the sign of the first operand. Suppose the first operand sign is negative, you should mention it in the output side. Suppose 4 modulo minus 2. So here the operand 2 value is negative value, but the result is plus 0. Okay. So only you should consider the sign of the first operand. The first operand sign is positive, the result is positive. First operand sign is negative, the result of the calculation is also negative. Okay. So you just remember this concept. In modulo division, suppose the first operand value is negative, the result also negative. First operand value plus, but second operand value is minus. You just ignore the sign of second operand. Only you consider the first operand sign. The next one is double star. So double star represent for the power. So operand, first one is A, double star B. So it represents 4 double star 2. So 4 power 2, result is 16. So likewise only you can use the binary operator. So this binary operator is a 2 operand values. So here you are using the 2 operand value. So unary operator. So here you use the single data. So single data or single operand. So in this unary operator, plus and minus. So addition and subtraction is used for the unary operator. Here you mention minus A or minus B. So in binary operator, the operand value is unsigned values. So without mention the signed value for operand A and operand B, but unary operator is a signed values. So positive value and negative value. So both the combinations of values we are using in the unary operator. I hope you understand the arithmetic operator concept. Just I move on to the second one, logical operator. Logical operator. So in this logical operator, we have 3 functions. So first one is AND. The symbol of AND is double ampersand. And second one is OR. So OR gate operation symbol is double line. Then NOT operation. So this is the NOT operation symbol. So in these 3 operations comes under logical operator. So in this logical operator, you just check the condition. So whether the condition is true, the result is true. Condition is false, result is false. So if you want to performing the AND operation, you just remember the truth table. Okay. So AND gate truth table 0 0 0 1 1 0 1. So output is 0 0 0 1. So it's a truth table of AND gate. So here 0 is represented as false. Let us consider 0 is false, 1 is true. So false false, output false, false true, output false, true false, output false, true true, output true. So in this logical operator, the input is true true, output is true. So in this AND gate function. So likewise you just applying the condition for AND operation. So only the output is produced when both the inputs are true. So both the inputs are higher. So that time only the output is released. Let us consider one example. Operand A is 3, operand B is 0. So here the operand A is a non-zero value, operand B is a 0 value. So just you apply the operations of AND A and B. So operand A is 3, operand B is 0. So one operand is true, one operand is false. So these 2 cases are considered. So operand 1 is false and operand 2 is true. So this case you consider the result is false. So it evaluate 0. So in this AND operation, the result is 0. The same value you apply in OR operation, A or B. So here you just applying the OR operation for operand A and operand B. So OR gate truth table, operand A and operand B, 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Output. Both the values are false, output is false. Any one value is true. Any one value is true, the output is true. So in this three case, output is true. So 0 considers false, 1 considers true. So based on this true false value in this OR gate, it produces the result. So here operand A is non-zero value, operand B is 0 value. So output is 1. So output of this OR operation, evaluation output is 1. Then you are performing the NOT operation. So NOT of A. So here operand A is a non-zero value. So suppose if you want to take the NOT operation, so it goes to 0. The result is 0. NOT of B. So B operand value is 0 value. So after taking complement, this value goes to 1. So likewise we check the condition. Whether the condition is true, output is true. Condition false, output is false. So it's a logical operator. So in this basis only the program, inside the program also execute the operation. So one more thing, here the two operands are values. So valid values. Suppose the operand value goes to don't care value. Let us consider A and B. A value don't care, B value 2. So you apply the arithmetic operation. So addition function, A plus B. So don't care plus 2. So what is the result? Don't care. Suppose any one of the operand values don't care and another value is known value. So just adding these two values, the result, all the bit of the result is don't care value. Just you remember this concept also. So in this video, I just touch the first two operator, arithmetic and logical operator. So rest of the things we will discuss upcoming videos. If you are not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe and support us to make lot of videos. Thanks for watching my channel.